77.
77.
77.
Argumenter quelque chose, 3.
Giving reasons, 3.
Giving reasons, 3.
Pourquoi ne mangez-vous pas la tarte?
Why aren't you eating the cake?
Why aren't you eating the cake?
Je dois maigrir.
I must lose weight.
I must lose weight.
Je ne la mange pas parce que je dois maigrir.
I'm not eating it because I must lose weight.
I'm not eating it because I must lose weight.
Pourquoi ne buvez-vous pas la bière?
Why aren't you drinking the beer?
Why aren't you drinking the beer?
Je dois encore conduire.
I have to drive.
I have to drive.
Je ne la bois pas parce que je dois encore conduire.
I'm not drinking it because I have to drive.
I'm not drinking it because I have to drive.
Pourquoi ne bois-tu pas le café?
Why aren't you drinking the coffee?
Why aren't you drinking the coffee?
Il est froid.
It is cold.
It is cold.
Je ne le bois pas parce qu'il est froid.
I'm not drinking it because it is cold.
I'm not drinking it because it is cold.
Pourquoi ne bois-tu pas le thé?
Why aren't you drinking the tea?
Why aren't you drinking the tea?
Je n'ai pas de sucre.
I have no sugar.
I have no sugar.
Je ne le bois pas parce que je n'ai pas de sucre.
I'm not drinking it because I don't have any sugar.
I'm not drinking it because I don't have any sugar.
Pourquoi ne mangez-vous pas la soupe?
Why aren't you eating the soup?
Why aren't you eating the soup?
Je ne l'ai pas commandé.
I didn't order it.
I didn't order it.
Je ne la mange pas parce que je ne l'ai pas commandé.
I'm not eating it because I didn't order it.
I'm not eating it because I didn't order it.
Pourquoi ne mangez-vous pas la viande?
Why don't you eat the meat?
Why don't you eat the meat?
Je suis végétarienne.
I am a vegetarian.
I am a vegetarian.
Je ne la mange pas parce que je suis végétarienne.
I'm not eating it because I am a vegetarian.
I'm not eating it because I'm a vegetarian.